Hey Memphis, my name is Jim Gleason. I'm an actor and an acting teacher. I'm actually in my third term as SAG-AFTRA president for the New Orleans local office. We service Louisiana and Mississippi. And I am coming to your town, to Indie Acting Studio, on January 17 and 18, doing a weekend workshop of 2 great days. The first day will be the works. And so what is the works? Well, what the works is when I first began acting, I had good instincts and I was able to sort of read a script and understand what it should look like, but I didn't have a process for breaking down the script and being truly prepared to be really in it. So I moved to Los Angeles, got a lot of great training there, and I came up with the works. It's a 1-day workshop where we take camera acting from the ground up. And we talk about all aspects of camera acting. I give you a 10-step guide that you can use every time you get a script to break it down. We're going to take 2 scripts and apply the breakdown guide, and at the end of the day, run a mock audition session so you can see what works and what doesn't work. So I got to tell you, I was always a good actor. I always had good instincts, but when I got that 10-step breakdown guide that I've put together over my 30 years of experience, it really is a big game changer, and it really takes you start booking instead of getting called back. So, and I'm a working actor myself. I still am a working actor. So I'd love for you to come join us for the works. Day 2 of the weekend workshop is going to be Sunday, the 18th of January, and that's going to be what I call the circle exercise. Now, the circle exercise, it's tough for me to get people to enroll because I don't tell them what we're going to do. Believe it or not. But I can tell you this, there's some great benefits to the circle exercise. It's not on camera, but I like to say it's not on camera, but it's what on-camera acting is really all about. Some of the benefits are, number 1, learning what it feels like to accept your circumstances as truth. Number 2, and what does that mean? To believe the story that you're in. Number 2, what does it mean when we say you want to be in the moment? Well, in the circle exercise, if you embrace it, you're going to feel what it feels like to be 100% present. Because here's the truth. Most actors have 1 foot in now and 1 foot in what's coming up. I know I'm saying this line now. I want to be ready for my next line. But you can't do that because the camera really picks up what you're thinking and feeling. So it's important for you to be 100% present. The circle exercise helps you do that. The other thing is the words for film and television are really not what's important. What you're thinking and feeling is. The words support you, the words help to tell your story, but the words are not important. And what you'll find is with the circle exercise, you really understand that. You really understand that. And then the most exciting part of the circle exercise, and the one that blows most people away, because it blew me away when I took it as often as I could out in Los Angeles, is it helps you to tap into your emotional core. You know, as actors, it's important for us to be vulnerable and to have emotional availability. And for many actors, that's a challenge, you know what I mean? For there to be real emotion in a scene. We get in depth on what is an emotion, where does it come from, how can we make sure it always shows up? And the circle exercise really helps you to tap into that. So that's the second day, the Sunday the 18th. So I would love for you in the acting studio to come join us that weekend. Again, my name is Jim Gleason. I've been acting for 40 years. I've been in the Screen Actors Guild for over 30 years. Now it's SAG-AFTRA. I lived in Los Angeles for 14 years, working in film and television there. I began teaching there. I taught for 10 years when I was out there. I moved home to Louisiana in 2012, and I've been teaching here ever since. So that's 13 years here, over 20 years of experience teaching other actors. Had a lot of success stories from my students and coaching clients, and I would love to work with you. And again, I'm currently the SAG-AFTRA president for the New Orleans local office, which services Louisiana and Mississippi. So when we do the workshop, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them for you. So Indie Acting Studio, I can't wait to work with you.